Gold and silver both traded sideways throughout the day. Yesterday, we have seen showing little swings. On the downside, the supports played out well for both the metas. Now, what to expect today from gold and silver? How we can profit, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Do not miss to watch that. Just subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch it. See, if you track the movement of gold for on the early charts, you can see lower highs are getting created. At the same time, flat bottom is seen. Thus, it is very important now for gold to stay below 2410, 2400 zone, which is going to be a prime support zone. If you can look at the movement here, see the drop, retracement, then the drop, same support levels, then the retracement, lower highs, and now it is consolidating at its this position here in between 2425 to 2450. Look at the preceding candle, a huge swing is seen, and also lower lows and higher highs are getting created with the median at around 24, 21, 22 levels. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying above 24, 25, 26, while on the downside 24, 15, 14 should be a good support. Let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic has dropped, MACD almost running flat at the median line, RSI is almost flat at a comfortable levels. Coming to 2 hour, likewise on the 2 hour charts, bearishness is getting diminished. That is what we can see. Now we can notice that if this is a retracement and if this is the main channel in which it is trying to trade, it has to break now beyond first this zone, that is 2430, 2435, and once it stays above this, you can say now gold is reversing. Else it is still not bullish on the upside. Even if it stays above 24, 24, 25 levels, you should not treat this as a bullish reverse. Also, you should notice here it is consolidating around the 20 period moving average, which is almost running flat, and thus it suggests that it is still not bearish as well. So right now I can say it is at an indecision level. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD has seen bearishness here. It has dropped a bit, and good wave is created here, and it is trying to trade with bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, see, I have been telling and I have shown this as well. See the divergence of the price from the 2050. It has taken the support, then the divergence, then the support, bigger rise, and then the support, then bigger rise and bigger the support. Here it has again come to take the support from the 2050 period moving average here. Now where is the 50 period? It is sitting at around close to 2400 levels, and that also makes this a very strong support. Look at the last few candles beautifully taking the support from the 20 period as of now. So I can say that it is definitely going to play a major role today as well. We have to see how it behaves here, first at around 24, 15, 14 levels, and then at around 24, 08, 10 levels, below which it will try to get a pull towards 2400. If you look at a stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence. MACD is trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4 hour, look at 4 hour charts here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, taking the support here. We have to wait for a breakout. Look at the candles here. Bearishness getting diminished on the 4 hour charts. Two bullish candles, then diminishing bearishness, and the current candle, if it breaks above 24, 24, 25 levels, you can say that it is trying to revert, as it is still not under reversal. And see, beautiful support is seen here from the 20 period moving average, and the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness as of now. So yes, wait for a breakout. Right now we can see a consolidation going on. The stochastic has dropped. Look at MACD. MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, trading bearish. And if you see this, what has happened here, can be replicated again. What is seen after this rise, it has shown a very good fall. Now it has again hit the highs and it is looking downwards. However, we have to wait for it to drop below these lines so that it can confirm the reversal. RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily. Now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting next week. Remember, in this batch, we are going to share all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which we have developed with our years of experience so that you can all identify the profitable trends and trades with ease and trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey and enjoy the profits for life. You can be part of it. Else you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals also you can profit. So write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and the video description. Just scroll down and you'll find it. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. It has a global presence. It offers easier withdrawals and easier submissions of the trades from across the world. And yes, it offers a swap free account with the lowest spread. So remember, if you're getting a 0.22 or you can say 22 cents spread in gold, you are saving much of your capital, because I have seen brokers offering half a dollar or 70 cents spreads, which eats much of your profits while taking a trade in gold. And thus, join the broker and save much of your capital. There are no hidden charges as well. Now, coming to the daily. See, first on the daily charts, what has happened yesterday? We have seen it showing little swings, lower highs, lower lows are seen. It is forming a nice flag. That is the first part to it. Second part, if you see, it has created lower highs as of for the day. It may try to move with slight bearishness possibilities there, where it can try to move towards lower lows. Now this zone is important between 2400 2410. As long as it respects this zone, we have to be careful, watchful. Now why it could show a retracement, why there is a possibility of a further drop? If you look at the divergence of the price from the moving average, you can see too much of divergence calls for it to converge. Where is the moving average 20 period right now? At around 2370 levels. Now also you can notice what has happened here. The price has converged quickly towards the 20 period. It has traded around the median and the 50 period for a while. Now it is again, after staying sideways, it has given this breakout. So possibility for it to converge here exists before taking a bounce back on the upside. So this is one observation we should not miss. Then second one is the stochastic was overbought. It is trying to cool down. It is trying to look downwards, but the MACD, interestingly, MACD has just crossed over here and it is still trading in green, and it is still not much of a scope on the upside. Now you can imagine where the prices would be if gold continues to trade bullish from the current levels. But also remember, for the month of May, last week in my weekly review, in my daily review also, I have been sharing several times that 2440, 2450 is the level it needs to break. Why 2450 and 2440? You can go back, you can watch my weekly review and find out why it is important. So for the next few sessions till the end of the May, I do expect that 2450, it is going to be difficult for gold to break past by. I still see that it is going to trade in range and should not break 2450, which also limits the upward move for gold here. And thus it may try to show little swings. RSI near to top. If it breaks beyond 2450, consider that this is a bullish breakout and a stronger rise can be expected. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold today 24, 24, 24, 25 levels. If you see it is staying about 24, 24, 24, 25 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. We can look forward to 24, 30 levels, the next target. And once it stays about 24, 30 levels, we can look forward to a rise towards 24, 34, 35. First resistance 24, 41.5 the next, and then 24. See, if it breaks beyond 24, 41.5, I think it is going to at least hit 2450, and if it breaks 2450, that should be a bullish reversal. Chances of this happening today appears to be less as far as my experience goes. Though these are markets, I respect markets. Markets are always supreme, but my experience says that it should not break. Even if it tries to stay bullish, 2450 should not be breached. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 2414, 15, where you can expect it to move towards the first support zone at 2408, 2410, then 2404. And if 2404 is taken, we will look forward to 2397.98, 2391.5, 2384, 2372.5. You can write down these levels, you can listen to it again, and you can mark these levels. Remember, as and how one level is breached, the second chances of it moving toward the second level increases, just that it needs to carry the same momentum. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts, consistently it is being staying in the zone. Lower highs, higher lows are seen. Also, if you consider this, after the drop it has retraced, and now if it drops below 3170, 3150 zone, you can see very good support is seen here. Once it drops below this zone, you can say more bearishness may prevail, and we can look forward to $31 levels again. Breaking below 31 is where the bears will be seen, where we can look forward to 3080, 3075 or 3050 levels as well. I do see this is staying in the zone. I do see this as a consolidation, and right now I can say that it is still directionless. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over here after a bit of retracement. I will watch out if it continues to move on the downside from here. RSI has dropped. Coming to 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, you should notice how important is the support from the 20 period moving average. Look at the candles. None of the candles try to close below this and again taking the support. Also, lower highs are seen here. And thus, it is important for silver to break out of this zone either on the upside or downside. Now, on the downside, remember the critical support zone is here at 3160, 3140 levels. In fact, you can sell here at 3170 itself once it breaches the 20 period moving average. You can take the sell entry. However, 3160, 3150, 3140, very, very good support. And once silver drops below 3140, you can say now it is coming out of the zone and we can look forward to 3120 and $31 levels, which are definitely extremely important support. On the upside, 3220, again, it is going to be a very, very good resistance here for silver. The stochastic dropping sharp. MACD is still trading bearish, looking downwards. RSI is almost running flat. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart, see bearish candle support here, then retracement. This is the first bearish candle here. I will wait for the next candle where it may try to move towards 3150 again, and below that we can see a breakout here towards $31 levels. Right now I can see it is taking support from the 20 period moving average, which has given out a good support. And remember, because it is taking the support, it can give a breakout on the upside. Thus, you need to be trading with caution. Any rise above 3220 is a clear indication that we are looking forward to 3250 levels again. Stochastic dropping again. MACD is trading with divergence, is staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is also dropping again. Coming to 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, similar is the observation here. Lower highs, higher lows, lower highs is what we can see. Consolidation going on. We have to wait for a breakout. The stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD has crossed over here at the top. Trading with divergence suggests that forthcoming candles could be slightly bearish. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, look at the daily charts. Look at these two candles. Bullishness getting diminished. Consolidation undergoing here. We have to wait for it to break below 31 on the downside, 3250 on the upside. As long as it stays between this zone, we should be treating this as consolidation. It is still indecisive as long as it stays between this. Now see, diminishing bullishness suggests that the prices might take a direction now and it can try to show a little drop. But why it could drop? See the divergence of the price from the moving average. Whenever you see such divergence, prices tries to converge, and today could be one day where it may again try to converge here. $31 levels, very, very good support. 3080, 3050 the next, and then $30 levels will be seen, which is a extremely important support for silver for the day, for the week, for the month. Stochastic overbought here. MACD is trading with divergence. It is at the top here and it should try to converge. It is trading with too much of divergence. See the candle size is diminishing, suggesting that the bullishness is getting diminished. RSI is extremely overbought. So looking at this, very simple. You can sell here at 3170 levels, expect it to move, or in fact, the 3170 should be a good entry, but those who want to risk a little can sell a little early at 3180 levels when you see the higher prices below 3180. On the upside, I will recommend a buy at 3220. When you see silver staying above 3220, take a buying entry. It is going to give a stronger breakout. And once it stays below 3250, it is going to be a breakout which is going to yield another great bullish move towards, in fact, 3275, 3310 levels should be seen here. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do watch the next update before the US, and be a member of the channel memberships here on YouTube and support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.